Hey guys, I'm Amethyst here. So we're back here with a video. This time we're just going to be playing the normal Minecraft Let's Play. So far, I've been working on the stock in the mine quarry. Right now I just gotta get some trapdoors. And yes, I did spawn in a jungle, which is amazing. Because the jungles are rare. And a swamp, a dark oak area, and a plains, which is very good because I have a bunch of places to explore. Sadly, no ocean. Which would be good because we could get really a lot of diamonds. There might be an ocean past the stream, but right now I'm going to be working on crafting some stuff for my quarry. It's turning night, so I might need to make a shelter. Or I might just stay and fight the mobs. Or maybe I should go do a mining session. I'm going to do a mining session. I need more trapdoors. Okay, there we go. Completed mine now. I'm part of my mine. Probably going to get really dark, so I'm actually working on building the shelter. Oh wait, you just plant bamboo with bamboo. I thought you were supposed to make seeds or something, but I remember now. So now I need to get to the top of one of these trees and then mine it from the top. This is going to be an easy one because obviously it's all the way up here and it's pretty short and I had to find all the way up. So I used to play this server like it was like Windows 10 edition, and I used to make tons of vine farms because vines are there on the server, and I was gonna sell them, but not need to because I got full diamond in that. So I'm gonna play by myself solo. So what style house? I'm gonna have like bamboo garden in the front. It's gonna be like a good house. And I have like my house on stilts. And there's gonna be a boat. That's why I built the dock. Because my house is gonna go on the dock. Maybe above. My house is gonna be around here. So I'm gonna have to dig out some area for my house to go on. I have tons of wood. So now I can create fences. I do not want bamboo fence sticks. I didn't know you could do that. I want a jungle fence, not an oak fence. So I guess I'll just build the fences like this. Cause I'm gonna craft some more shovels. More shovel. I'm gonna craft 2 shovels. Okay, I'm running out of food. That's gonna be a problem because there's not that many animals that get food in the jungle. So I'm gonna build a farm. It's gonna be right over here. Oh, iron. Okay then, that's not that much iron. So this is gonna be my farm area. Right here. That's why I'm clearing out this area. Okay, perfect. I know these will go 4 out. It's already day. Flint, I guess. Okay. Thought that was cool. That would have been good. That was the night. That was not that bad at all. Right now I'm going to work on my house. Ah! Don't you attack me like that. Okay, I'm working on my house right now, so. Okay, so this was gonna be good. Okay, they changed recipes for slabs. It might not have ever been that. This is gonna be like the crafting area. Have to go quick now. Okay, there we go. Perfect amount of slabs. I might be wrapping this video up in a second because I'm almost done. Okay, crafting table, furnace. Okay, then my bed will go right here, but it's time to wrap it up, guys. That's it for today, guys. It's been a great time with you.